Hi, my name is Ryan.
Hi, my name is Johnny. My name is Ruben.
Hi, my name is Rbking.
Hi, my name is Ryan. You're watching G2G Family Farms. Glory to God Family Farm.
You're now watching Glory to God Family Farms.
And you're watching Glory to God Family Farm.
And you're now watching G2G Family.
Good morning, everybody. It's about 6 in the morning here in this cool Arizona weather. It's about 50 degrees out here. I need to move that weather center so I can see what it is over here. Look who's bright-eyed. Look who's bright-eyed and standing and waiting for some food and treats. Alright, so this is day 30 of the 31 days of waiting for Honey's babies. And as you guys already seen, she has kids. We don't know how many yet. So I'm going to pull her nest box out. Let me clean up my area. I'm going to pull her nest box out. This one actually does work. We pulled this one down because it didn't work, but it actually does work. I just think their settings were wrong. So we're gonna get that put back up. Get us some more light out here. So yeah, let me clean this off so I can pull her nest box out and get a good count on how many they actually have. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed them. We fed them last night, and yeah, that's what I expect. That's what I expect to see. She still has more food in there. He still has more food, so he's eating. They all ate all their kale and spinach. Hey, mama, what you need? You got everything you need. Yeah, he's eating. She has all hers. She just likes to be petted. Yeah, you just like to be petted, mama. You got some babies in there. We're gonna pull those out so we can see. So I'm gonna give you some. We're going to go ahead and give her a treat so I can distract her while I pull those out. And we're gonna check on them. Kind of don't want to text them for a couple of days, but just want to make sure I don't got nothing dead in there. Kind of just get a count, and then I'll leave them alone for 2 days or so. But let's see what we got. Alright, this one has a full battery, and hopefully that wakes people up, because it's Sunday. They think they're gonna sleep in, but we got stuff to do. Alright, so I have to get a different camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them some food and then put this down here. So it looks like we got about 5 or 6 in there. See if we can get this light turned back on. Yeah, look at them. Look at them. Alright, so we're gonna get them pulled out. See if you guys can see. Make it to where you guys can see. Alright. Maybe very small. Alright, there's one. There's 2. I got 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you had 7. Mama had 7. Look at her. Alright, we're not gonna keep them out too long. So want to get a couple of pictures. Yeah. We got 7. We got 7. This guy is big. There's some big ones in there. Yeah, they're all healthy so far. So we got 7. So we're gonna get them back in the nest and then cover them up and let mama do her thing. We won't touch them for another day or so. I just need to get a count. 7 babies. All right. Yeah. Let's get them back in there. Mama did a great job. Let's get them back in there. Get all the fur back on top of them. Probably need some more fur, but it is kind of gonna be cool today, so we'll see. She'll probably pull some more fur if need be. But yeah, they're in there. All right, let's get it. Get the nest box back to mommy. Get the nest box back over to mommy. Yeah, they're coming back. They're coming back. They're coming back. And this is the daddy. He wants his props. Yeah, you did good. You had 7 babies. In a few weeks, let's see, on the 8th, she'll be ready for hers. Yeah. This is the daddy. All right, so I'm gonna let them be and get to some more farm chores. I should update on the rabbitry. Crazy Bentley. Let's let him out to pee. Stay, sit, you stay. See if he goes to his area without any stopping. I don't want him sniffing around. I don't want him sniffing around. I don't know why they keep gating us out this area. But he's doing good. He's staying. I ain't called him yet. He's actually expecting some water and food too. So, come pee. Yeah, he expected some water, some in there, but we'll get him some more. I'm gonna wake up my son. He's supposed to be up by now to come get his chores done. Get his chores done and feed him. But yeah, he's a pretty good dog. He just has to stop peeing in our house. We just seen him yesterday literally make a pile out of his blanket and pee on it. So yeah, if he's doing that, he ain't about to mess up our nice area smelling like pee. 1 second. Let's get back here for the rest of the updates on what we're doing today. Sunday, so I'm gonna do some church around 10 o'clock. Sniffing around. Talking to the daddy. Yeah, they still yours. They still in there. All right. So because these have crazy roots already, I'm thinking I want to put them in the hydroponics. Let's see. Yeah, see, they have deep enough roots where I think they can go into the hydroponics. Some of them anyway. But I just don't want to put them over there and they die. So one of my things today, besides working on my what I want to do is try to get this algae out of this hydroponic system. And I need to order some more of these cups. Because, yeah, these are, I don't want to pull on them. But these beautiful things have deep roots. But, yeah, these are lush. These are doing very well. And I think these could also grow. These mustards are doing a little slow. Got some lettuces back there. But a lot of these, I planted them just inside the hydroponics. And they're okay for the most part. But they're not thriving like I feel like they should be. So, how's it getting water? Oh, shoot. This got pulled out. See, this is why you gotta check on your systems. This has been dripping water. This is why you gotta check on your system. This got pulled out somehow. So it hasn't been pulling up. Like, why is it dripping right there? Now I see. So you gotta check your systems, make sure all your connections are still good. If I do continue on with the hydroponics, I will definitely be doing that. We got some rain yesterday, so a lot of this stuff is starting to thrive. Potatoes over here are starting to thrive. So we're just gonna let some of these systems be. My wife said God told her, especially with the carrots, is to let them be. So we're gonna let them be. We're building another compost thing over here. We got a lot going on. So yeah, one of my tasks today is to try to get that as clean as possible. Redo the nutrients bucket. Redo the nutrients bucket. Now that Honey has had her 7, we need to start getting our actual rabbitry area done. Got the kids giving hay last night, and they left the hay uncovered. So if it started to rain, we would have been in trouble. Actually, I hear her in the kitchen, so I'm gonna have her come fix this. That's the way I teach, make them fix their issues. Because if I always fix it for them, they don't learn. So yeah, we got a lot to clean up. I think today she said they're gonna get that pile of brush and wood and stuff to start that second bed bottom. And then put some soil and stuff in that, get that started. I know she has these watermelons. I can't wait to get started. I'm gonna move this. Actually, I might get a second one, but that's our weather station there. And the sensor for it is behind the hydroponics. I'm actually gonna move it over to where the rabbitry is, because that's actually what I bought it for. Is to make sure, excuse me, I itch. To make sure that they're not too hot over there. And somebody is checking on their babies. So I don't know if she's feeding, checking them, cleaning them, or what. But I want to make sure that we leave her be. Let her do her things. But that's pretty much it, the update today. We're going to go ahead and get the hydroponic system cleaned out. We're going to get their cages pulled back and swept from behind. Reagan's going to go ahead and go over there and cover up the hay that she left exposed last night. And then we're going to get some measurements to start the rabbitry area. And then hopefully, if I can get the hydroponics cleaned out, I can get some of our older plants transplanted over to hydroponics, so we can start seeing those flourish over there and have less pockets. All right, so it's Rbking signing out for G2G Farms and Rabbitry. Peace.